sleeping noises. Good morning, Chizzy. What the? Chizzy. Get out of bed. Throw in the water. Okay. What in the world? Wait a minute, I have a book. Hey, the slimes have me. They want to take over the world. Help from Cece. Well, that's not good. Let me go like full health for like a second. There we go. Oh my god. What happened? Oh no. I may have angered one of them. You know what? I did have a escape plan, but wait a minute. Ow. They came from here, so like, hold on. Board, go! Wait, they came from here, but look, see? There's slime like everywhere. Look, see? There's one retreating. Follow it. Come on, go! Ow. Ugh. I think I crashed. Oh. Oh my god. Well, we have to find Cece. Come on! Like for part 3.